और आज के इस लाइव क्लास में मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा स्मार्ट फ्रेजेस विच आई यूज डेली, जो मैं रोज अक्सर यूज करता हूं। क्या हुआ ना, लॉकडाउन में आई हैव बीन स्पीकिंग टू अ लॉट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स। कोई यूएस में है, कोई कनाडा में है, कोई दुबई में है, और उनसे मैं काफी सारे नए फ्रेजेस सुने मैंने। आई सेड व्हाई नॉट डू अ लेसन यूजिंग ऑल दीज फ्रेजेस। सो यू हैव स्मार्ट फ्रेजेस I personally use daily in my conversation, and trust me, बहुत ही बढ़िया इंग्लिश के फ्रेजेस है ये। पर आपको मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी, और कैसे मैं आपको बताता हूं। मैं आपको एक फ्रेज बताऊंगा, उस फ्रेज का मतलब भी समझाऊंगा, और एक एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस भी दूंगा, और आपका काम होगा मुझे एक एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस चैट बॉक्स में लिखकर बताना है, क्योंकि मैं आपके सारे चैट्स यहां पर पढ़ रहा हूं। चैट में मुझे लिखकर बताना है, और आपके जो भी आंसर्स होंगे that I am going to put here. Like Deepika Khan says, good evening, sir. Hey, good evening, Deepika. Or I'm stuck in speaking. Rima Singla says, yes, definitely, I'll take some of your questions. Someone says, hey, I am Arun Rag. Great. So I'm going to put all your answers out there. और एक बहुत बढ़िया सरप्राइज भी आपके लिए है, जो जैसे जैसे सेशन आगे बढ़ेगा मैं आपको बताते जाऊंगा। तो चलिए करियर लेसन की शुरुआत। चलिए, लेट्स स्टार्ट। So the first smart phrase I have for you is, you are in the cockpit. You are in the cockpit. क्या मतलब होता है इस फ्रेज का? मेरे ख्याल से कॉकपिट तो आपको पता है, प्लेन का कॉकपिट। और प्लेन के कॉकपिट में कौन बैठता है? पायलट बैठता है। और उस पूरे कॉकपिट का कंट्रोल किसके पास होता है? उस पूरे कॉकपिट का कंट्रोल होता है पायलट के पास। इन शॉर्ट, इसका मतलब है यू आर इन चार्ज ऑफ समथिंग। या फिर अगर आपको किसी को एडवाइस देनी है तो आप कह सकते हो लर्न टू हैंडल द सिचुएशन। ये दो मतलब इसके हो सकते हैं। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट सेइंग लर्न टू हैंडल द सिचुएशन, आप कह सकते हो हे यू आर इन द कॉकपिट नाउ, राइट? चलिए एग्जांपल सेंटेंस देखते हैं। नाउ यू आर इन द कॉकपिट विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट, I am sure you will not let me down. इसका मतलब क्या है कि इस प्रोजेक्ट के अभी तुम इंचार्ज हो, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि तुम मुझे कभी भी निराश नहीं करोगे। Not let me down का मतलब यही है कि तुम मुझे निराश नहीं करोगे। देखिए, आपने एक और नया फ्रेज सीखा है, right? Instead of saying you'll not upset me, you can say you'll not let me down, right? You're in the cockpit. It's very nice, to see people are practicing with me. It's very nice. What I'm going to do is, now I'm going to get someone here on the screen. ये जो सब्सक्राइबर है, ये हमारे प्रीमियम सब्सक्राइबर, LearnX Plus के सब्सक्राइबर्स है, and I would like to call Shubham here. So Shubham is going to come, and Shubham, welcome Shubham to the live stream.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Shubham, for joining us. And Shubham is a member of our LearnX Plus.
LearnX.
Shubham, can you give me a sentence?
Okay, sir.
You are in the cockpit.
Yes. LearnX.
No problem. Yes, please.
LearnX are the cockpit for me.
LearnX are the cockpit for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
You can say
LearnX
is in the cockpit to teach English.
Yes, I want to say
right.
that. Yes.
Right, Shubham. Shubham, thank you so much for joining here, and keep learning, keep practicing. Right, Shubham?
Okay.
Thank you so much, Shubham, for joining in here. And the last phrase is grin and bear it. Grin and bear it. And let's quickly go and understand what's the meaning. Accept and live the situation. I have Prateek with me, Prateek Mishra, in this live session. Prateek, give me a moment. You'll be visible soon on this live session. So इसका मतलब यही होता है कि accept and live the situation. हालातों के साथ जीना सीखो. Grin and bear it. मुश्किलें हैं पर हंसना मत भूलना. Accept करो, चैलेंज को accept करो. Struggle है लाइफ में, but definitely you should learn to live with that situation. The example sentence is, we can hardly do anything about the COVID situation. Let's grin and bear it. इस COVID situation का हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, बस हमें हंसकर इसका मुकाबला करना जरूरी है. Pratik, welcome to this live session. Pratik Mishra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And Pratik, the phrase for you is "Let's grin and bear it." I'm going to even pull Shubham in this. Shubham is still, with us. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull Shubham in this. Okay, let me change the layout for you. Yeah.
Okay.
So, Pratik, I want you to give a sentence with "Let's grin and bear it." And Pratik, I want you to give me one sentence with "Let's bear and let's grin and."
So when I was suffering from cancer 2 years back, then I always thought that I should grin and bear it, whatever it takes.
I think I absolutely salute you,
you, sir.
for that thought and that with the spirit, with how you fought cancer, because cancer is definitely, it's a critical illness, and the way you fought, hats off to you guys, and that should be the spirit of life, and I really great, to have you. I really, it feels so nice, to connect with such people like you. It gives us, in fact, so much of encouragement. We have Arif Mirza as well. We have Arif Mirza. Arif Mirza's device is still not connected. Okay, Shubham, can you give me a sentence with "Let's grin and bear it"?
Okay, sir. Even if you don't have money, just grin and bear it.
Perfect. पैसा आज नहीं है, कल आएगा. Face the challenge, work hard. I'm sure you are going to achieve success.
One more
And
example, sir.
Yes, that's all. Thank you so much, and thank you, Shubham, for being live in this session for such a long time. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And Pratik, thank you so much for joining live on this session. It's so much I learned from you, and you're such an inspiration to so many subscribers who are watching you live there. Would you like to give one message to all the subscribers there who are planning to learn English? People think that they cannot learn English. Would you like to give one thought? What's your thought?
I'm still preparing for the UPSC exams, because when after I recovered, then I always thought I should do something for my country. So I just started preparing for the exams. And मैं सबसे कहूँगा sir, I always think that never give up in your life. Just be consistent and keep doing.
Absolutely, that's the spirit, and I wish you all the best for your UPSC exams. Stay healthy, stay fit, and achieve all the possible success in your life. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining on this live stream. Thank you so much.